Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a section out of one notebook and add it to your student notebook. So as you can see right now, I am in my just normal Amy at OneDrive notebook, and I'm going to back up because I need to be in the Grim PD notebook because that is where all of this data lives, which is right over here. So let's say I want to copy over ELA data, and I want all of this to go with it. So I'm here, I'm going to come up here to where it says class notebook. I'm going to click on that. And then I can copy it to the content library, which is like just basically trading it from the library that it's housed in right now to now putting it over into your library for your class. Okay, then I'm going to get these options to pop up over here. So what I want to come over is already clicked right here. Obviously I can take over more if I want. Just for this video, since I don't have a classroom of students, the only other class notebook I have right now is our Maple Park one, so I'm going to pretend to put it in there, and then I'm going to click copy. Okay, once I do that, that's putting it into your classroom notebook. So now I want to go look at that notebook. So as a teacher, then I would click back, and I would come over and I would open up. This would say whatever you named it as your class, and I would click on that. And then if I come up here to class or into content library, you can now see that it says ELA data, and there is all of the sections that I just added. Okay, so that is step one.